Okay, welcome back, YouTubers. For those who want to see how it's done, underground fuel tanks by Tom at Apex Builders Group. I'm the consultant on this job, and we're looking forward to the last strap being undone from the fuel tank. 3 straps are loosed or loosened, and the 4th one is imminent to be disconnected. Once that's disconnected, the crane is free to leave, or should I say, up and over to get the next tank. So let's see. Are we there yet? Okay, there's a hand signal from the person on top of the tank. And that is a specific hand signal which is usable, but it's within line of sight. We have other personnel within line of sight, so there's overlap in hand signals in case there's a mistake or confusion of what the signal was. This moment is a balance activity. He's balancing on top of that tank, holding onto the ladder. And this is a moment of, you need to have some athletic ability and strength and dexterity. And of course, a well-balanced head, because your balance is most important when you're on a ladder working on the top. So let's see what happens next here. I would expect that the strap still looks connected, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, well, let's stop for now. This is Tom at Apex Builders Group. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll get back with another segment shortly. Thanks, everybody, for watching the YouTube channel, Apex Builders Group. This is Tom, signing out.